So, give me a second. I'm going to show you a little bit about something I'm going to be doing my next episode. I'm going to start a series, the Nerf Saga series. Yeah. It's going to be good. So, keep watching if you are. So, we're going to start the Nerf Saga series using Nerf dart guns, obviously. And so, yeah. It's going to be an interesting season. Alright then. Bye-bye.